跳唱表演有冇一個特定嘅模式咧？唔知，但係確實喺今屆咧，我哋有好多唔同嘅高手嚟到我比賽裏面，佢哋幾個走埋一齊，又確實可以將跳唱咧帶種全新嘅感覺，甚至係一個全新嘅高度俾我哋。相信呢個表演都好能夠代表到我哋今屆全民造星參賽者嘅創作力同埋表演能力。首先送俾大家嘅係《Way of Water》。
I said, empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water. Now you put water into a cup, it becomes the cup. You put water into a bottle, it becomes the bottle. You put it in a teapot, it becomes the teapot. Now water can flow or it can crash. Be water, my friend.
What's the way you water? 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 Try to be you， 嘗試用唔同嘅方法呈現，可以滋潤萬物，同時都教我放低執念。睇落平凡但珍貴，教我無數嘅真諦，收穫自如，繼續保持低調，從不虛張聲勢。You keep giving and taking， 教我用水花濺出激情。你嘅道理我幾時鮮明？我幾時鮮明 ？Like the way you water, yeah. Like the way you water, like the way you water, yeah. Like the way you water, like the way you water. That's the way. Like the way you water, like the way you water, like the way you water. 風格無定會 stay informed， 變幻如水，but I'm being honest。我要成為壯舉，未來他朝一日，雖然不斷變幻，但我選擇保持真實。我應無差，要變得靈活，超越限界。I said empty your mind, all the feelings combine, you gotta follow the signs， 包起個心態。大起大落，隨時被觸動。要 try to control 你，但你無法觸碰。So like water， 但能夠以一滴白，嗰入冰中絕對唔會失踩。Gotta feel the shape, I feel the flow. I gotta moving on and let it go. Just take your time and try to take it slow. Just make sure you know, like the way you water, 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 that's 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 the way you water. And that's the way of, that's the way of water.
多謝晒 B3 組嘅 Way of Water。好，過嚟傾下偈先。喺我呢度，我再一次同大家介紹我哋 B3 組嘅呢6位成員。喺我隔離呢2位就係11強嘅車拿、阿葉、少冠、不老、Larry、Choose Hero。你2位有2個項目可以揀，點解揀呢個嚟表演呢？
我覺得我哋2個表演最主要嘅原因，點解我唔揀前傳？因為我未學識前傳。
哦，因為佢係11強，佢10零日之前先知自己係有份決賽啫，係比較趕啲。阿葉咧，你學咗㗎咯
噃？因為 Way of Water 呢隻舞就只有我哋6個咁 background 唔同，5湖4海，可能係啱插唔出合，但係我哋好獨特嘅作品咯，係好代表到我哋，所以亦都係好有意思嘅一隻舞，所以希望可以再跳一次俾大家睇。
嗯，當然啦，裡面嘅嘢係你哋原創啦。問下 Choose Hero 啦，攞到最高 view 數，大家最中意睇個項目有啲咩感覺咧？
我只可以話係受寵若驚啊！點解咧？因為 其實我哋一開始構思呢個 item，其實最主要就係因為我哋好純粹地好中意呢個主題，同埋我哋覺得呢個主題好有共鳴。咁我哋做我哋中意嘅嘢，同時大家都會 get 到，大家都會聽得開心，其實係一個大大嘅 bonus。同埋我哋啱啱講到好似話差唔多有成90萬 view 係咪？好似
冇錯。
而我相信呢90萬 view 今日在場大部分人，你哋都有幫手刷呢個記錄出嚟，所以非常之多謝你哋。Thank you very much。
同埋有啲記錄嘅，通常我哋表演嘅項目咧做一次嘅啫嘛，大家要再睇都喺網上面再睇。今日能夠喺現場決賽再做多次，嗰個意義係咩？你覺得？
我覺得有兩樣比較特別嘅嘢。第一樣就係今日係有現場觀眾，係會有歡呼聲。除咗 judge 之外，都係有觀眾。
嗱，當時你喺我廠，我係有歡呼㗎。
係冇錯冇錯 ，of course 冇錯。而第二個，我覺得最大嘅意義就係我哋 B3可以再喺決賽嘅舞台上面重聚。冇錯，即係當然我哋入面呢幾個人唔係個個都入到10強、11強，但係我哋都可以照樣喺呢度再跳多一次我哋最中意嘅 item 俾大家，所以意義非常之大。
多謝晒 B3嘅 Will Water。我驚你再講落去，你會喊啦。
OK 嘅啦，今日會收斂下今日。
OK， 好，多謝晒咁多位，可以先到台休息。唔該晒你哋。確實係嘅，《Way of Water》係好好睇。但係如果大家有睇晒我哋40集嘅節目，去到第40集最尾，我哋出咗我哋韓版嘅前傳。呢班後生仔唔簡單嘅，佢哋足足喺韓國逗留咗1個月，跟住學識呢一隻全新編排嘅前傳。究竟現場表演應該都係佢第一次喺現場表演嘅，所以大家俾最熱烈嘅掌聲，歡迎我哋9位11強嘅選手韓版前傳。
在眼前，燈一關仍然自我充電。有冇人及想戰鬥即戰鬥，想佔有即佔有，眼看眼未讓座得一位沒耐性要殿後。想戰鬥即戰鬥，衝我夠搶我夠，只有我是對手。需要靜候，在大時代以前，眉頭問誰又看見？走到布幕後，將燭光變曙光在發光。Oh, look at me, look at me， 就算多刺眼。Oh, look at me, look at me， 只管放膽搶眼。Oh, look at me, look at me， oh, 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 oh， 神人前轉這一刻注定。So make it to the top, got our own flaws, pain, no, don't you dare stop, stop。Wanna hate or join the new age? Come on, just hands up。故事嘅開始，各自都喺不同嘅星體。我哋出現後，組織新世代開啓，幾多阻滯，氣息都不會停滯。唔係曇花一現，我哋係過嚟打破形勢。
相信佢哋9位都會非常享受你哋嘅歡呼聲同埋尖叫聲㗎啦。嗌多幾聲俾佢哋聽下先，佢哋好享受㗎，因為。OK， 唔該晒你哋咁多位，我哋都請埋咧就係 B3嘅6位成員出嚟先。其實識跳唱真係唔係必然嘅，我諗佢哋好多喺參加比賽之前，攞嚟支吉他彈下吉他唱歌係識嘅，但係講到跳唱喎，真係唔係一件容易嘅事。好，台上咁多位都係帶咗2個非常之精彩嘅表演俾我哋。咁究竟評判會中意邊個多啲呢？陣間我哋會用翻我哋全民造星最傳統、最有標誌性嘅撳燈嚟決定咧，評判係中意邊個嘅表演項目多啲㗎啦。呢個時候我哋先休息一陣，俾個廣告時間，我哋5位評判慢慢考慮。